What is obfuscation? Obfuscation falls under cryptography, and this is a technique to make data harder to understand. So there are three different methods for obfuscation. You have steganography, tokenization, and data masking. So as per CompTIA, we will cover these three topics: data masking, steganography, and tokenization. We start with steganography. What is that? This is the practice of hiding information within other data. So you are concealing the existence of data. So it is possible to hide data within an image, within an audio file, within a video file without making it noticeable to the human eye. So this is kind of what it looks like. This is like the original image, but then if you look closely into it, like if there are some software tools that can do that, if you look closely into it, there will probably be a piece of code or a hidden data or something. And this is how sometimes data is transferred over the internet. No one realizes that there is data hidden behind other data. That's steganography, technological steganography. Another technology is called tokenization. So with tokenization, you are replacing sensitive data with other data that retain the essential information. So for example, you have credit card numbers that you store on your website, but you replace them with random numbers called tokens during transactions. So essentially, with an illustration, let's see what tokenization looks like. So here you have this guy here shopping at Amazon, and at Amazon, they store everyone's credit card number, right? So he wants to upload his credit card information, and when he performs a payment, the credit card number they store at their end changes. You have the second user who does her shopping, and when she uploads her credit card, if you take a look, it changes on their end. And the third person, it keeps changing. And finally, the fourth person, the Visa card changes again. So that's a token that they have on their end. The token is different from the actual number, from the real number. So if someone gets a hold of this file with the credit card information, they will not be able to use these numbers because they are not real. They just translate to an actual real credit card number, which is hidden elsewhere. Another form of obfuscation is data masking. So data masking involves modifying data to hide the original content and retaining the usability. So one example, one way it's usually seen, it's when you remove or you black out sensitive parts of a credit card information on a receipt. So originally you have this, but then eventually you have something like this. So the first part is hidden, it's masked, and you only have the original part. So this is obfuscation. It's making data harder to understand. You have steganography, you're hiding data within other data, so you're concealing the existence. You have tokenization, you replace sensitive data with data that's not the sensitive information. And you have data masking, so you're hiding the original content to maintain usability. Thank you for your attention, and for more cybersecurity updates and training, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our different social media, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, for more updates and tips. Thank you.